In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play War Thunder on the Oculus Quest 2. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best way to do this is to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to a computer using the Oculus Link cable and then using Steam VR to set up War Thunder in your VR headset. So, go to Steam and first open up the store page and look for Steam VR. If you don't already have Steam VR, download the software over here and make sure that it is installed. For this video, I'm not gonna wait for the download to finish as I'm doing this for demonstration purposes only, but you will be able to find Steam VR under your tools. Make sure that Steam VR is running and that the Oculus is connected to your computer using the link cable. With Steam VR properly running and set up, the Oculus connected to your PC with the link cable, all you have to do now is go back to War Thunder on your Steam library, open up the settings by clicking on this icon, go into the properties, and make sure that for the launch options for War Thunder, it's set to Ask when starting game or Launch War Thunder in Steam VR mode. This will make it so you will be able to open up the game and it's automatically going to get assigned VR mode, which means that your Oculus is going to work flawlessly with War Thunder. Sadly, I can't show you actual gameplay on the screen because I don't have VR equipment with me. So, this will work, but I won't be able to show you gameplay on the screen. Just make sure that SteamVR is properly set up, that your Oculus headset is connected to your PC via the link cable, and run War Thunder in VR mode through Steam. I hope I was able to help you on how to play War Thunder on the Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.